Good day, everyone. I am Raven Mimata together with my group mates Kayla Sandrino and Rafael Abraham. So, we are here to present our topic, which is the core competency of automotive servicing and C1. So, this presentation will take us through the basic, common, and core competencies that are required in the field of automotive servicing. Specifically, this competency will focus on how these competencies align with the job requirements and training standards set by the TESDA. Automotive servicing NC1 focuses on skills needed to perform pre-delivery inspections and periodic maintenance. These are essential tasks that ensure vehicles are safe, functional, and ready before they are handed over to customers. So, there are four basic competencies. So yung unang basic competencies is participate in workplace communication. Number 2, work with others. Number 3, demonstrate work values. Number 4, practice basic housekeeping. Basic competencies are the foundation rather of a being good worker. Communication, teamwork, professionalism, cleanliness are always expected in any job. While yung common competencies naman, these are skills include technical and preparatory skills like using workshop tools and equipment, preparing service reports, measuring and calculating accurately, moving vehicles safely. Yung common competencies, this ensures that every task is done with precision, following standards and safety protocols. While yung core competency, perform pre-delivery inspection. This unit teaches us how to check vehicles thoroughly before they are released. It includes for example, checking fluids and system, locating and inspecting vehicles, preparing reports or records, coordinating vehicle transfer. We also learn about required knowledge and skills such as understanding PPEs, vehicle parts, factory standards, and having the ability to perform inspection and restore parts if needed. So, dito po, from TR to CBC, paano nga ba siya magiging module of instruction? So, dito, from TR, we will just copy and paste the unit of competency to unit of competency to module titles and unit descriptor to module descriptor. Then, yung element naman sa summary of learning. Then, we will going to now, sa assessment criteria naman po, element, copy-paste dun sa learning objectives number 1, which is prepare for pre-delivery inspection. Then, i-copy yung performance criteria to assessment criteria, just like the rest po. So, yung content naman po, so for example, yung assessment criteria niya is pre-delivery inspection checklist is obtained from immediate supervisor. So, yung content niya po is pre-delivery inspection. Then, dito naman po sa number 2, vehicle is located. based on pre-delivery inspection, then yung content na pinili po namin is locating vehicle. Then number 3, required items are prepared following inspection and procedures. Then dito naman po sa contents niya is preparing required items. Then sa number 4, transfer of vehicle to inspection area is coordinated following standards operating procedure. Then sa contents, coordinating transfer of vehicle. So as you can see po, yung contents niya is nakuha po sa required knowledge and required skills ng TR, which is connected or appropriate dun sa assessment criteria and dun sa learning objectives. Next naman po sa conditions, yung condition po makukuha sa range of variables. So dito po, yung example, yung assessment criteria niya is pre-delivery inspection checklist is obtained from immediate supervisor. So, yung content niya is pre-delivery inspection, then yung condition niya is owner's handbook manual. Then, dito naman po sa number 2, vehicle is located based on pre-delivery inspection documents. Then, yung contents niya is locating vehicle. Then, dito naman sa condition is checking of vehicle performance. So, now pupunta na po tayo sa methodologies and assessment methods. So, for methodologies and assessment methods po, hahanapin lang natin yung section 3, which is the training standards, and hahanapin natin yung specific na unit of competency, and we will just copy the methodology and assessment approach to our module of instruction. So next po, perform periodic maintenance of automotive engine. So dito naman po, sa just like the same process lang po is unit of competency, kinapi lang po sa unit of competency. Then sa module title naman po, mag-a-add lang po ng ing para maging action word. Then yung module descriptor is nakuha sa unit descriptor. Then yung summary of learning out objectives is nakopy po sa element. Sa assessment criteria, ganun din po, same process din. Just copy and paste. Then, sa content, magsaselect lang tayo ng appropriate na content or lesson na pwedeng may apply dun sa unit of competency, sa learning objectives, and sa assessment criteria na connected pa din dun. Like for example, yung assessment criteria niya is job requirements are determined from workplace instruction. So sa content niya is reading and interpreting job requirements. Kumbaga nakita pa rin po natin yung connection niya doon sa assessment criteria. Then sa condition naman, hanapin lang natin yung range of variables. Then select the most appropriate materials that are needed or to be used from the range of variables na appropriate pa din po doon sa learning objectives, assessment criteria, and sa unit of competency. And lastly po, methodologies and assessment methods. So for the methodologies and assessment methods, find the section 3 training standards and look for the specific unit of competency and copy the methodology and assessment approach to your CBC or Module of Instruction. So as you can see po, paulit-ulit lang po or same lang po yung mga methodology and assessment approach or assessment method na nilalagay po dito. Kasi po, mostly po, for example, is yung sa methodologies niya is lecture, demonstration, video presentation, and workshop visit. So, yung mga methodologies po dito is all about performing and kung paano nga po ba mag-inspection. Dito na po yung may apply yung mga skills na kakailanganin natin from the basic, common, to core competencies po. Then, sa assessment method naman is paano ba ma-assess or malalaman kung knowledgeable enough na po sila or alam na nila kung paano mag-conduct ng mga ganoong bagay. Like sa automotive, servicing, and so on, paano nga ba sila ayusin or mag-inspect, perform inspection. Like, for example, is magkakaroon ng demonstration, written exam, and interview. So, next reporter, Kayla Sandrino.
The third unit of competency in the core competency, which is to perform periodic maintenance of drive train. From TR, the unit of competency is perform periodic maintenance of drive train. To CBCR, the MOI, the unit of competency po is kinapilang po namin to CBC. And also, the module titles is nilagyan po namin ng ING para mas maging action word po siya. Kaya mas naging performing periodic maintenance of drive train. And the module descriptor po from TR is kinapi po namin to CBC. And also the nominal duration, which is 28 hours, na kinapi din po namin doon sa previous activity namin, which is sa nominal duration. And also to the summary of learning objective, meron tayong LO3. First, LO is perform pre-service preparation, conduct periodic maintenance of drivetrains, and last is perform post-service activities. The summary of learning objective is makikita po sa elements from TR. The first LO in perform periodic drivetrain is prepared automotive tools. Gaya po ng sinabi ko, ang LO is makikita po sa elements from TR. And also the assessment criteria. The assessment criteria is kinuha po namin doon sa performance criteria sa TR. And also the LO2 and LO3. Sa contents po, select the most appropriate content or lesson from the underpinning knowledge or skills depending on the assessment criteria and the LO. Sa nakikita po ninyo, kinuha po namin siya sa required knowledge and skills from TR po namin, which is pinili po namin yung mas align sa assessment criteria po. From TR to CVC is select the appropriate learning material to be used from the range of variable that is appropriate with LO, content, and assessment criteria. In condition po, ay naghahanap po kami na mas align or mas appropriate sa range of variable na pwedeng ilagay sa condition, na mas konektado sa LO, sa content, and also the assessment criteria. Sa methodologies and assessment method, to CBC po is for the methodologies and assessment method, find the section 3 and training standard and look for the specific unit of competency and copy the methodology and assessment approach to your CBC or MOI. Sa nakikita po natin, mahanap po ang methodologies and also the assessment methods sa section 3 na kung saan ang mga nakalagay sa methodologies like lecture, demonstration, video presentation, and etc. And also to assessment method, we have to demonstration, right, examination, and interview. The fourth unit of competency and the core competency is perform periodic maintenance of brake system. From TR to CBC or MOI, the unit of competency, kinapi po namin siya to CBC, which is the perform periodic maintenance of brake system. And the module title po is nilagyan po namin siya ng ing para mas maging action word po siya. Kaya mas naging performing periodic maintenance of brake system. And also to the module descriptor from TR is kinapi po namin from CBC. And also the nominal duration na galing sa TR din po. The summary of learning objective, first is prepare periodic maintenance of brake system, carry out the periodic maintenance procedure, complete periodic maintenance procedure. Ang lahat ng LO po is makikita po sa from TR na kung saan kinuha po namin sa elements for from TR. And also, gaya po ng sinabi ko, ang LO is makikita sa elements from TR. And also, the performance criteria ng TR is kinapi po namin para sa assessment criteria to CBC. And also the LO2 and LO3. From TR to CBC or MOI, select the most appropriate content, lesson from the underpinning knowledge or skills depending on the assessment criteria and the learning objective. Gaya po ng sinabi ko, kumuha po kami sa required knowledge and required skills from TR po namin. Kung saan mas pinili po namin yung mas konektado or mas appropriate na pwedeng ilagay for content. Select the most appropriate learning material to be used from range of variable that is appropriate with LO, content, and assessment criteria. Sa condition po is mahanap po siya at pwede pong mahanap sa range of variable na kung saan na pwedeng ilagay sa condition na mas appropriate pong ilagay. From TR to CBC, for the methodologies and assessment method, find the section 3 training standard and look for the specific unit of competency and copy the methodology and assessment approach to your CBC or MOI. Sa last part po, makikita po natin ang methodologies and assessment methods sa section 3 po, na kung saan mahanap ang methodologies and assessment like lecture, the discussion, demonstration, video presentation, and also the assessment method, the written examination, demonstration, and so on.